Hello everyone! Welcome again to another video. This is Teacher Stevens, and today we are going to talk about the pronunciation of consonants. We have a lot of different consonants in the alphabet language, and today I am going to teach you how to pronounce them so that you can use them when you are pronouncing words. So come on, let's start. We have several consonants that can be very confusing, especially when they're in a word. So if you are ready, let's begin. The first letters that we have are P and B. P is pronounced as P, and B is pronounced as B. For example, P, P, play, paper, top. And for B, B, bird, bubble, crib. Now let us now go to the next consonants. We have the letter T and the letter D. T is pronounced as T, T, and D is pronounced as D, D. For example, T, T, table, bottle, cat. D, D, dog, ladder, pod. Okay, the next consonants we have are K and G. K is pronounced as K, and G is pronounced as K. For example, K, K, kite, walking, pack. And for G, G, good, baggage, log. The next consonants we have the letter F and the letter V. F is pronounced as F, F, and V is pronounced as V, V. For example, fun, coffee, puff. And for V, V, volcano, waving, of. The next one, we have the letter th sound and the th sound. For example, thick, method, moth. For th, there, mother, with. The next consonants, we have the letter S and the letter Z. S is pronounced as th, and Z is pronounced as Z. For example, snake, missing, face. For the Z, Z, zoo, crazy, phase. The next, we have the sh sound and the zh sound. For example, sh, sh, shoes, pushing, hush. And for zh, zh, measure, Asia, vision. Okay, next we have the ch and the j sound. For example, ch, ch, chin, catching, watch. And for the j, j sound, joke, charging, large. Okay, the next letter we have is the letter L. It is pronounced as L, L. For example, love, mellow, hello. The next we have the letter M, and it sounds as For example, male, human, some, The next letter is the letter N, and it sounds like N. N. For example, nurse, funny, fine. The next, we have the N sound. For example, N, N, singer, sing. Next, we have the consonant letter H. We pronounce it as H, H. For example, house, perhaps. Next, we have the letter R. It sounds like R. For example, roar, correct. The next letter we have is the letter J, which is pronounced as H. For example, hue, beyond. The last consonant we have is the letter W, and that is pronounced as W. For example, hui, water, flowing. Alright, so that was it. That concludes our video today. I do hope that you learned a lot for the pronunciation of the consonant letters. So keep on practicing. See you again on my next video. Good luck. Bye-bye.